Yo, like, alright, I made like 2 videos about like presets and shit, like, I don't know, last year, but, you know, times is changing and shit, like, you feel me, but, hey, y'all know I've been updated on this shit, like, oh god, I've been on my shit, like, look, I'm just get straight to it, bro, fuck the talking, look, listen to this shit, though. Wait, and before, this is, it's like anything, bro. Like, this some godly presets. Listen.
You say that you love me, I'ma need to see proof. All your diamonds glass, I could really see through. I've been smoking gas, bitch, I'm on that PU. If you wanna leave, then go away, don't need you. Stab me in the back and you gon' watch it bleed through. I would kill myself if I had to be you. Got a new bitch.
See, bro, that shit fire. Yeah, you know that shit fire, man. But look, I'm gonna just show y'all. So, look, type shit. Look, this is what you gonna do. I got all these other presets. I got this one, like,
Fine.
I got that one, right? That shit just sound fire. Like, alright, look, screenshot and copy. Yeah, now get all of them in, man. Make sure you get all of them. It ain't nothing too like crazy, and I made this one myself too. All natural, baby. Fuck you talking about? I made all these myself. Yes, sir. Again, and just do that, man. And like you could make sure when you do takes, bro, cause I don't know if you knew or not, but make sure to do takes, bro. Like, you see how I was like,
You say that you love me, I'ma need to see proof. All your diamonds glass, I could really see through.
you see how I did takes? I did first bar, then the second bar. Make sure you do that, and then once you're done, keep both of these, right? Keep these two, like, and then duplicate both of them. So you have like, it'll be like double vocal, so it'll just sound more professional, and just sliding the bitches down a little bit. But yeah, I went hard on this. Look, listen to this. Listen to this. I'm gonna let, actually, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna play the whole thing. If you want to hear the whole thing, hey, that's on you, man. You know, if you don't, have a good day. But if you do, appreciate it and hear this shit.
You say that you love me, I'ma need to see proof. All your diamonds glass, I could really see through. I've been smoking gas, bitch, I'm on that PU. If you wanna leave, then go away, don't need you. Stab me in the back and you gon' watch it bleed through. I would kill myself if I had to be you. Got a new bitch, ready for the redo. Why the fuck you worry about this shit that we do? I'm overthinking, overdrinking every day. You feed me problems, always put them on the plate. I need a taxi, I'ma need to get away. I gotta find myself right now, got a taxi outside, I can't stay. I gotta find myself right now, gotta find myself in a whole new place. I gotta find myself right now, I find myself in a whole new state. I gotta find myself right now, so I don't care about what you say. You say that you love me, I'ma need to see proof. All your diamonds glass, I could really see through. I've been smoking gas, bitch, I'm on that PU. If you wanna leave, then go away, don't need you. Stab me in the back and you gon' watch it bleed through.
I'm not gonna lie, I was getting bored of that. But I mean, this preset is like, it's like for like everything, bro. You feel me? Like, this hyper pop, I be making plug, I be making like Earl Sweatshirt shit. But you feel me? That's that. And I want to show y'all the Earl Sweatshirt shit. It's like, bro, like, it's dead ass fire, bro. Like, listen to this shit, bro.
Look at
Listen to this shit.
me alone.
Same preset too.
Fuck a father, bitch, I'm glad to be a bastard. Fuck a mother, bitch, I'm glad I never had her. I preach the real like a motherfucking pastor. Then roll the weed cause I deserve to have some laughter. I know my issues that I had deep in the past hurt. I keep it real cause I can never show them that hurts. Me and God have not been good, we on some bad terms. I try to fix it, but I always
Like, that shit's hard, bro. Like, for real. But I mean, yeah, it's preset, man. Like, yeah. I mean, I know I'm talented as hell, but I ain't been getting my credit because I'm too lazy to promote my shit. But, you know, hey, wasted talent, wasted potential. But, alright, man. Y'all be safe.